Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyPurpe token. Ticker symbol is BabyPurpe, all one word. Now this is a fairly new Solana meme coin that was created on Moonshot. And obviously this is a playoff of the PEPE token, which is a very popular Solana meme coin. I do believe I saw the PEPE token trending today on Dex Screener in the top 30 in the Solana section. And then this token was trending in the Moonshot section on Dex Screener as well. And you can find this token on SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. We're going to go over the BabyPurpe token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the PURPE token, the original one, PEPE, is still trending in the top 30 on Dex Screener. Right now it is trending number 27. And the original one is up 97%. Now this token is a fairly new token. It was created 9 days, 20 hours ago in the RAYDIUM pool. That's when the pair was created on RAYDIUM. So just a little bit over a week ago. Right now it's up 9.2% in the past 24 hours. They have a market cap of $1.1 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $227,000, and there's been 1,695 transactions. So BabyPurpe has a liquidity pool of $147,000 in RAYDIUM, which has a liquidity lock, and it says total liquidity locked 100%, and 100% of that liquidity is also burned on RAYDIUM, so that's good to see as well. Token price is a little bit more than a tenth of a penny. Right now it is 0.0011 USD, and they do have a quick audit here on Dex Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. They have 294.79 pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 61,960,397 pooled BabyPurpe token. So introducing the original story of Solana, PEPE, on a mission to make Solana great again. This token was crafted by the community for the community. You can follow their Telegram at baby_perp. They have 484 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, token listing announcements, and memes, all that good stuff. And same with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, at baby_perp. It says the Solana PEPE origin story, and then it has their contract address, real easy to find there. There's a link to their webpage, babypurpe.xyz. You can see it's a brand new project. Their Twitter just joined in November 2024. They have 2,218 Twitter followers, 185 tweets, and a blue verified check mark. And you can also find their Telegram and the contract address in the pinned tweet there as well. So all the links you're going to need are going to be on this Twitter. It says, we are building a new floor every single day. Pick up some BabyPurpe before it's too late. So if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could get a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, or a Soulflare wallet. or a Phantom wallet, you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the BabyPurpe token using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter or on their webpage. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes for this token. There will be a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium. And this token may also become available on Orca, Meteora, Jupiter, and maybe some central exchanges. You could find updates like that on the socials. If you go to the webpage, there's a gigantic link tree where you can find, first of all, the contract address. It also says BabyPurpe is now listed on CoinGecko, and you can find a CoinGecko and a Gecko terminal link as well. They have the SolScan Bird Eye link on here, Tiny Astro Photon link there, Dex Screener, Dex Tools, Twitter, Telegram, etc. They're all listed on the webpage. So they have a roadmap here. It starts with phase 1, the idea and foundation phase. So token launch of the BabyPurpe on the Solana blockchain. Define the tokenomics with a pair distribution model. Then brand identity. Establish the core narrative of BabyPurpe as its new meme coin. Highlight the humorous and whimsical personality of BabyPurpe as a playful character who represents the next generation of meme coins. Develop a logo and a character to make the art recognizable and fun. Design unique, humorous content. And then we have social media launch. Create a Twitter. And then we got teasers, memes, community polls, early followers. Phase 2 is going to be meme contests. Then they're going to have an NFT series come out called the PURPE Pals. Community voting. Phase 3 is going to be collaborations with other projects. Cross-promotion with meme coin communities. Then we got gamified rewards. Phase 4, listing on major Solana dexes and centralized exchanges. Then we have Phase 5, future plans and evolution. They're going to have charitable initiatives, real-world impact, community-driven DAO, basically a full decentralized autonomous organization, new partnerships. And so tokenomics, 1 billion total supply, no taxes, mint and freeze authority revoked, ownership renounced, 100% locked liquidity, and immutable. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about BabyPurpe? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.